The holiday of Sukkot begins Wednesday evening, and I wanted us to see Shaare Tefila congregation's Sukkah and how beautiful it is. A Sukkah, and the plural is Sukkot, is a booth. It reminds us of our ancestors and how they lived in these temporary structures as they traveled for 40 years through the desert on the way to the Promised Land. And also it reminds us of how our ancestors lived in the fields in booths as they brought in the fall harvest. So the Torah tells us that we are supposed to live in these booths for the week-long holiday of Sukkot. And the rabbis describe for us what the Sukkah is supposed to look like. A Sukkah is supposed to have at least 2.5 walls so that it can be a freestanding structure. And the walls can be made of any kind of material. And the roof, though, has to be all natural. It cannot be made of synthetic material. It has to be natural. So our roof is bamboo, the most common of roofs for a sukkah. Has to provide more shade than sunlight so that we can see the stars in the sky or the sun in the sky. For the rabbis, the sukkah represents the temporary nature of our lives and highlights our dependence on nature. And in the world today especially, the Sukkot takes on this significance for us. In our day of man-made technology and our dependence on human technology, we get further away from an understanding of the environment and an appreciation for the world around us. So the holiday of Sukkot then provides us with this opportunity to get reacquainted with nature and realize how dependent we are on God for the protection that we need in our lives. And so I wish everyone a Chag Sameach, a happy and joyous Sukkot holiday.